Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about how to sketch the inverse function. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to draw the red line in here. So we know that the red line should be 45 degrees. And we know this is on OS. So we know that if we don't find the intersection in here from the red to the black, so we just concentrate about from this point in here to here. So from O to this intersection in here on OY will similar for on here. So they have the same length. Similar on OS, from O to this intersection with OS, they will have same length on OY. After we find two points in here, we just use the straight line to connect. And we can say that this one is about inverse function. Next, we go the same technique. So we draw the red line in here. So we find the intersection between the black line and the red line in here. So we put this intersection in here. Next, from O, this is about origin to this point in here. We have the same length from O to here. So we use this intersection in here to connect to this one, and we put about like this. And now this is about inverse function. Next, so we put the red line in here. So we have the intersection in here. Next, from O to this intersection in here, they have the same length width from O on OY. Or maybe you can draw 45 degree line in here, so you can find the intersection in here. After we find two points in here, we just connect. And now we got about inverse function. Next, we put the red line in here. So we just find the intersection in here. The next point from O to here. we have same length on here. So to make sure that if we want to have the same length, we put 45 degrees from this point to here, and you got about same length. After we find two intersection in here, we put this point in here, connect to this point. And from here to here. And now this line in here, so you got about inverse function. Next, we do the same technique. So we find the intersection in here from O to here, and now we put about 45 degree line we put in here, and now we find the next one. So this red line just like the mirror of this one, so we can put like this. And this one is about inverse function. Next, we do the same technique. This is about complex. So to draw this one, I need to use the ring color. So this one they go up and down through the red line. So if we want to draw inverse function, it should be like this. They just like the mirror. Something like this. So I just show you on the technique how to draw about inverse function in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.